I waited for the stain to be dry, and I'm ready to apply my Mylar stencil. My wood sign, sorry. My wood sign is ready, so I can apply my Mylar stencil here. As you can see, maybe the light is not as you can see, this I'm gonna do a simply blessed sign, and yeah, there you go. So you can see it here. This is a 0.006 thickness Mylar, and it's really good. I like it. It's sturdy enough for me, and this would be a good sign to start with. So here I kind of eyeball it and see if I can center this. So once I have a good, okay, so once I can center it well, I just put my glue tape on that. Sorry for the background noise. Just having my two kids, you gotta keep them entertained for a little bit. But okay, so basically I have my Mylar stencil here fixed here to my board, and I'm gonna start doing the simply part. So what I do is just grab my white paint. I use this kind of stencil brush. As you can see, this kind of stencil brushes, you can find them anywhere, even like in Home Depot, Lowe's, Hobby Lobby, of course, Michael's. Okay, so I try to clean it up a little bit, and I go ahead and start dabbing. So I go kind of carefully so the paint doesn't bleed. It can be challenging, but I think with some patience you can accomplish good results. So again, what I do is just like I grab some paint, and again I dab it on my paper towel so I don't get any extra paint, and that's gonna make my design to bleed. Okay, so just a little. So maybe you can see closer. Okay, so I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna apply white paint on my first word. So again, I keep doing it. I'm very careful as much as I can, and I usually do like two layers of paint, just to be safe. So let's see how it goes. Again, I get more paint. I'll clean it and keep going this way. Okay, and I'm kind of careful not to paint my other work that is very close to it. So this is where my first word ends. Okay, so I'm gonna do a second round of it just to make sure it has a good coverage. Okay, so I did my first word here, and now I want to do the blessed part in a golden paint. I'm using, let's see, you can see it here, the Martha Stewart one. It's been kind of hard for me to find like this kind of paints, like metallic ones, to have like a, like a good coverage. But I think this one is pretty good. I'm just using this brand, and it's just a multi-surface. Yeah, just a multi-surface golden one. I'm just gonna go ahead and use it. And I'm gonna use, of course, a different brush for it. Again, I just use these regular ones. This is a 1/4 inch size here. The brand is Royal and Lang Nickel. I don't even know how to pronounce it, I'm sorry. Maybe you can see the brand here, or I can put it in the description. Okay, so basically what I do is, again, I just get my paint, clean it up a little bit, and then start doing my first layer. Like, I don't know if you can tell from there, but like it already has like a good coverage. Like many of the metallic paints that I tried, it's like I can see through them, like it's kind of transparent, and then you have to spend time like doing so many layers, and it's kind of annoying. But I have a good feeling about this brand. It's really good. I like it. So again, I go ahead and again I'm very careful. So I do all my second word like this, and here I go ahead and get more paint. So now, as you can see, I already did my stenciling. I did 2 layers of paint on each word. So here we go. So I gotta be very careful taking the stencil, and let's see. And I always, it's me. I like to hold it one side and lift on the other. The results. Oh, that's nice. I like it. Okay, so as you can see, I leave these spots because that's the way how a stencil holds up, like the pieces holds up. So that's why you're gonna see on the stencils, like they have some little spots that you have to paint them, which is not, I mean, it's not hard at all. So all you need to do is just like use a liner anything brush, you know, I think they're called liners, and all I do is just get my paint on it and just filled up the gaps. For example, this L. I mean, again, it's not hard. It's just like you can tell, it's not hard. You just need patience. Like, see, and let's see, we have another one. Another gap here, already covered, and then you're going to do the letter P, which is easy. Again, it's not that hard. So you just filled up the gaps. I mean, it doesn't take long. So let's see, I have any other gaps? Yeah, I have to do the golden paint ones. Let's see, for example, I just do little touch-ups to my letters, but it's like minimum, to be honest with you, because even with vinyl ones, you still have to do some touch-ups because it's not gonna be like 100% perfect. So that's part of making a hand-painted wood sign, you know. So okay, and you can do like 2 layers on the gaps only. Okay, another one. Again, it's it's so easy there. Okay, so now I'm gonna do the gold paint. Again, using my liner, and see, they're only the letter B, and I love this brand because, again, this covers up like so nicely. I would dare to say even the first there you go, just once. I think I just can do it once, and it has a well coverage on it. And then, yep, the letter E, and it's simple, and you just need to be patient. And again, I mean, as you can see, I mean, it doesn't take that long. So here we have this, and here I don't know if the word is perfectionist, but you know, maybe I can tell, but I just like to like make some little extra adjustments on my paint, just in case. Again, it's easy. It doesn't take that long. There you go. Okay. So here we go. So this is the sign, Simply Blessed, and I love how shiny the golden paint is, the metallic paint is. I love it. Well, this, again, I use my own stencils. Again, they're gonna be available for sale on my Etsy shop on FRANSOPHdesigns. Any questions you can post in the comments. Yeah, these are 0.006 thickness Mylar. Again, it's very resistant, and it does not have an adhesive in the back. I just don't like it because sometimes when I apply the spray, I end up with a mess when I try to clean it up and all that stuff. If I can find myself another material that offers I don't know, some type of adhesive, I wouldn't have a problem adding it to my shop. But for now, I felt pretty confident doing this. So yeah, this is my stencil, and again, the stencils will have some little gaps once you're done. because again, that's how all the pieces hold up together. That's the only way. They need to have what you call bridges. See, so you need to have these bridges in order for this to hold up. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys liked this tutorial video. Thank you.